Hey everyone, I'm Wiggle Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. WIGO stands for When You Get Old. I kid you not, every month at the beginning of the month, I'm like, oh my goodness, am I gonna have enough products to do an Empties video? And then at the end, I'm like, wow, I think I have too much. That video is gonna be really long. So I'm just gonna power through this one. Here we have a product from Paulas Choice. This here is the Barrier Repair Moisturizer with Retinol. This was really nice. Do I have anything left? No, of course not. It's a thicker cream. It's not super thick, but on the scale of thickness, it's halfway to the thickest of the world. Obviously, it can come through a pump. It was nice. Would I buy it again? If I didn't own 8,000 other night creams? Probably. All right, this next product is from Avant. I found it. I was using it when I did my Avant skincare video, and then it got set aside. Whatever. I picked it up and powered through it. This is nice. It's kind of a gel formula, which I really appreciate under my eyes. Would I buy it again? No. Just because it's like $93. Like, super expensive. If it was like $10, yeah. I mean, the formula I enjoyed. Price point, not so much. All right, this product is from Ren, and it is the Global Protection Day Cream. I'm kind of on the fence when it comes to Ren products. They're clean, which means they don't have the best preservatives. They can sometimes go bad rather quickly. The scent isn't necessarily a scent they put in to make it smell good. It's more the ingredients, and because it's clean. This one was okay. I honestly used it like halfway to maybe 65%. And then I was done. I was like, okay, I have my thoughts on it. And I just used it as a hand cream. I often do that. If I don't love a face cream, it becomes a very bougie hand cream. It was all right. I definitely wouldn't buy it again just because this brand or clean just isn't my jam. But if you've tried it and like it, let me know down below. Here we have a serum from Keys SOULCARE. This is the Promise Serum. By the way, love their packaging. On camera it's going to look black, but when you hold it up to light, it's actually a dark purple, and it is a glass bottle. This serum was okay. I don't know. Like, my skin didn't look or feel 10,000 times better after using it. It's also a type of serum where you put it on and my skin was a little tacky, and I don't like that. I mean, if I sat there for 10 minutes, the tackiness will go away, but I don't got time for that. I need to move on to the next thing or start putting my makeup on. It wasn't horrible. It just wasn't like anything to write home about. So I would say if I got it in a beauty box, I would use it again. I would definitely not spend my own money to pick it up. All right, this here is a super bougie brand called Rodial or Rodial. It is the Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water. So it's like a micellar water. I got this, I don't know, it's some kind of Avant calendar or beauty box. It's from the UK. It was just okay. I also, normally I like this type of applicator for micellar waters, but this one, every time you press down, it would like spritz out aggressively, and yeah. So I'm going to say pass on that one. All right, here we have the world's smallest little sample. This here is from BELIF, and this is the Moisturizing Balm Toner. I really enjoyed this. Super tiny, but it's the type of toner that is, I don't want to say it's thick, but it's a hair thicker. It's the kind that's white, the milky type, which is just, if you know, you know. And it just feels a little more moisturizing. I don't know what it is about those milky kind of white ones, but I tend to like those type of toners more than just regular toners, just ever so slightly, because they make my skin feel a little moisturized and not tacky or dried down. I would definitely use this again if it came into my life. If I didn't already own 8,000 toners, yeah, I think I would pick this up. All right, now on to the plethora of hand creams. So this first one is from a brand I'm not super familiar with. what does it say here? So this is the Pumpkin Pecan Waffles Shea Butter Hand Cream. Oh, okay, I am from, okay. This is really tiny writing. Bath and Body Works. This smells so good. It reminds me of a hand cream I emptied a couple months ago from Dionys. It's Fall in a Tube. All right, this next one, I don't know where this came from. This is from CÉLA, and it's Crème de la Crème, the very best cream. It's floral. Is it floral or is it lemon? No, it's like lemony floral, powdery. I don't know. This one was okay. Not the best, not the worst. It was a hand cream. And the reason I'm going through so many hand creams is when I'm in the office, I put these on like 2, 3, 4 times throughout the day. Now, this last one for this month anyway, I loved this one. It's from NATIVA Spa or NATIVA Spa. And this here is Madagascar Vanilla. If you love a good vanilla, this one smells so good. I don't know if there's any left. I always try to squeeze the heck out of these guys. Oh, I got a little bit. It smells so good. It's got something else besides the vanilla. I don't know. It just reminds me of baked goods. I would definitely repurchase this one if I already didn't own 8,000 hand creams. All right, here we have a, what do you call these? Hand wipes? No. Face wipes? No. Makeup remover cleansing tissues. This is the coconut water. I got these at the Dollar Tree. I keep these in my filming room here and use them to remove swatches. Works great. They smell nice like coconut. I would definitely repurchase them again. Here we have a makeup remover ultra soft cleansing towelette from NEUTROGENA. These I will use on my face. This came in like a 6-pack, 7-pack, 5-pack with 2 small, I don't know. It's from Costco where you get a bunch of them. Definitely would pick them up again. In fact, I already have. All right, now on to makeup. Here we have a frequent flyer, one of my holy grail mascaras. This is from Maybelline and is the Falsies Lash Lift. Use it all the time. I alternate between the L'Oreal, what's it called? Something Lash Lift. Telescopic lift. Well, I gotta have the word lift. That one and this one. I bounce back and forth. I love them both and will definitely repurchase in the future. All right, this product I love. This here is from NYX and it is the Wonder Stick. I use this up. I use it all the time. Kind of swatch it. It's the most beautiful. If you have fair skin and you like a neutral, not orange, not gray, like a neutral, good, soft contour / bronzer shade, you will love this. And have I picked up a backup? Yes, I have. I'm just going through some other products before I dive into this, but this is my holy grail contour bronzer stick. All right, almost done with the makeup, and I actually have a new special category this month. So here we have a lip gloss from JEFFREE Star. This here is called The Gloss. This is the one that's just clear, and I didn't like this as much as I like his other The Gloss. This one has color to it. It's a thinner formula. It has some shimmer, and it's really nice. This clear one was rather thick and went on. It wasn't super glossy or shiny. I found myself like pursing my lips more than others. I don't know. Just wasn't a fan of the clear one, and just the formula seemed different. Honestly, I don't know if it's because it's clear, but it was a thicker formula and I just didn't like it as much. This lip gloss is from Ofra, and this was in Golden Rose. This was a very thin formula. Very pretty, soft pink, right up my alley. This one was okay. If you would have asked me like a year ago, I would have said, oh, I love this. I'd definitely pick it up again. I've tried so many other lip glosses since then that today I would say if I got it in a box, I would use it. I mean, it's nice. I like it. But it's not so good that I would go out and buy it again just because there's so many other brands that I enjoy more. Does that make sense? All right, now on to this special category that I don't believe you've ever seen in any of my Empties videos before. All right, I'm super excited to share. I have emptied some perfume. Can you believe that? So this here is from Valentino, and this is Born in Roma. I forget already what it smells like. Yeah, I enjoyed this one and would definitely use it again. I'm hesitating because perfumes are very expensive and I don't buy them that frequently. If money wasn't a factor, yes, I would definitely buy this one again. This is what I thought was my holy grail perfume. Spoiler alert, coming up soon. This here is from Viktor and Rolf, and this is Flower Bomb, which I really love and enjoy. I love this bottle size. Perfect for my purse for at work. So when I get to work, I would spritz it. This lasted me maybe 6 months. Yes. So would definitely buy it again. But this last product here, this I think may be my new holy grail, or my new scent, I should say. This is from Jean Paul Gaultier, and it's called La Belle or La Bella. I don't know. The writing's really small. This one, I'm so sad, is... Oh, I got another spritz out of it. It smells so good. Don't make me try to explain what it smells like. I will put the notes on screen, but I've been eyeing this. It's super expensive. I want to say 30 ml is like $84, which for perfume isn't super expensive. But just to make a purchase on Ulta, $84 is kind of a lot. So I'm hoping it's going to go on sale or something will happen, so I can, you know, get it for not full price. But I've been eyeing it. It's in my cart. I'm just waiting for a coupon code or for my Fetch rewards to get where I have a $50 coupon. I have enough for a $25 off, but that's not. No, I'm going for the $50. All right, I think that's everything. Yes, long video, I know, but did you see what I emptied in 1 month? And when I started the month, I wasn't sure I'd even have enough to do a video. It's crazy how that works out. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.